Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, go to the second page where you will find the battery saver toggle, and all you need to do is simply tap on it. And as you can see, automatically the brightness of the display dropped, and apart from the brightness, it also does things in the background like limiting the apps, so they're gonna be being killed off more frequently. So any app that is in the background basically becomes terminated, so it doesn't use resources. And apart from that, things like network, the device will be disconnecting from network the moment it's not really needing it. So the moment you lock the device, put it to sleep, it will disconnect from network just to save the battery. And in terms, that also means that your notifications that are relying on a network will not be delivered whenever they're being sent to you. They will be delivered once you unlock your device. Once you're done, you can simply tap on the toggle once more, and this will disable the battery saver and everything will go back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.